Okay, what are you showing me now?
I'm going to show you the copper and the brass peanut LED by Maratac. And this is Rev-2.
Okay, so I remember Rev 1, and it was a cool little light I could wear it around
Rev-1,
my
awesome,
neck.
awesome light. Put it on your keychain.
Okay.
Here's a Rev-1. Here's an early Rev-1. Yeah, still works great. Got it on
Yeah.
my keychain. Here's a brass one. Excuse me.
But these are Rev 2. So
Yeah.
tell me about Rev 2.
So Rev 2, we've incorporated a tiny bit longer. We've incorporated the charging unit into the head,
Okay.
actually into the body, and I'll show you that here.
Okay.
So here's one. I'm gonna put it back together here. Here it is, the brass one.
Awesome.
And under, if you take the head off, there is a micro USB.
Oh wait, the old one you had to put a different head on it that you'd always lose.
Well, you wouldn't always lose it.
I
but
would.
Okay, but anyway, check this out. You just plug the micro USB,
Oh.
and bingo. Isn't that
Wait,
cool?
and it's got a red glow, which isn't showing up on the screen, but I see it.
It is red.
Oh, there it is. I got a little bit of red tinge there.
Yeah, see the red LED there.
Yeah.
And it turns green when it's fully charged.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that cool? So, hey, when you're done, you just unplug it and put the head back on. And it comes with the micro USB to standard USB.
Okay, so they give you get a cord.
Yep, got the cord right here.
Okay,
It comes with
good.
it. And so available in copper and or brass.
So you're two flavors.
Got a key ring on the back there, a split ring.
Okay.
Machined in the back. Let's talk about the weight here. It's about half an ounce. High and low power. So here's the low. You just
Okay.
crank it to the first position low, and then bam, there's the high.
And it still uses that same 10180 cell, which is like
It does. Let me drop that out so you can kind of see it there.
okay. Oh, other end, wrong end.
That's right. I'm still used to the other one here. So there is, unscrew the back end here.
Okay, so the 10180 cell is like a really powerful cell, tiny little package.
Yeah, small lithium cell, works great. Has a very low discharge rate, probably negligible over a year.
Oh, so self-discharge like hardly any.
Probably nothing, yeah. So there it is there. So the diameter is, or the length of it is 1.43 inches long
Okay.
by 0.52 inches in diameter here. 18.2 grams for, total.
And it still takes about what, a half hour to an hour to charge?
Yeah, somewhere in there. Recharge time is about 30 to 55 minutes, depending on where you are in the drain cycle or
Okay.
the discharge cycle. It has a slight orange peel, so it's more of a flood
Okay.
because it's not a
That's-
anti-reflective glass,
That's cool.
and that's nice. But it's really pretty nice and even. And see if I can. Here, let me put it on the glow marker here, huh?
Okay.
So.
Oh, look at that.
Pretty cool. So this would be great on a zipper pull or in a bag or keychain or anything like that. So there they are, brass or copper. It is the copper and brass, your choice, peanut LED flashlight by Maratac, Rev 2. Thanks
Rev2.
for watching.